Is your external component the Microsoft DirectX DirectPlay module DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Managed DirectX DirectPlay Forwarder links. Before we begin our Microsoft DirectX DirectPlay module walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Microsoft DirectX DirectPlay module, a non-standard naming convention for the DirectPlay library found in localized wrappers or game mods. It handles the redirected socket calls for multiplayer. Its absence prevents modded versions of retro games from connecting to LAN or online servers. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Since Microsoft DirectX DirectPlay module DLL is an embedded part of the Managed DirectX DirectPlay Forwarder architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Microsoft DirectX DirectPlay module message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Microsoft DirectX DirectPlay module DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users seeking a more stable workstation, the utility linked below references Microsoft DirectX DirectPlay module configuration concepts. If we successfully synchronize the missing library from Microsoft DirectX DirectPlay module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.